Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yashe. I know it's been quite some time since I uploaded my last video. I've been stuck with submissions, but now I'm back. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how I organize my coloring medium. So I basically have this cardboard box right next to my workspace so I can quickly grab whatever coloring medium I want. So I've got color pencils, watercolors, paint, acrylics, all sort of things. But as time passed by, I have added a lot of other stuff that I don't want to keep on my workspace. So like all sort of random stuff. So if you can see, I've got some newspaper, random papers. I don't know. Let's see what I've got in here. So basically, I will be decluttering this box right now and I will be reorganizing all of my coloring mediums into it. So now let's start. First, I've got my messy, unwashed paint palette. Then I've got some watercolor pencils and color pencil, some more color pencils, and I've got more coloring mediums in here. Like I've got this wax crayons, some felt pens, some more pens, and I've got my paint brushes and all of that in here, and some more paint bag. So I use this also for like painting stuff. I put paint on the sheet and then I transfer that onto paper, so it gives like a nice effect. And I've got some poster colors. My sewing instruction manual. And then some more sewing instruction manual. I've got some newspaper. Again, I use this for painting related stuff. So brown paper. So this is something that I just put inside this box because I didn't want it on my table while working. And then I've got some bag. And this is my painting cup, the water cup that I use when I paint. Cardboard, just a strip of cardboard. I don't even know why it's in here. Rigiform rolls. So this had some ribbons. I decluttered my ribbon storage last week. So this is in here. Some crayons. I dropped a lot of crayons in here. And then I've got some watercolors. And then I've got acrylic colors. And this is like an old clothing of mine that I used to wipe my paintbrush or like water spills, paint spills and stuff. I've got my championship trophy from school. This is basically my under 20 championship trophy, which I got in 2014. I'm old. And then I've got this bag with random pieces of fabric. Like I've tried different fabric paints and stuff, manipulation mediums, so I just have those in here. I can quickly use this when I need it to like clean something, so I kept it here. This is a silk tie-dye, by the way. It's so beautiful, isn't it? I did this back in college when COVID was when we had lectures in campus. So I've got more poster colors, like a tiny box. I got all my poster colors and acrylics as birthday gifts. So yeah. And then I've got paint. Again, this is like the cake type paint. And another championship trophy. This is from 2015. I don't know why these are in this box though. Okay. And another trophy. This is my first ever trophy. I got this when I was in like elementary. There was this race called book balancing and I won that. And then I've got this random box, cardboard box again, with some bill. And some more fabric manipulated cloth. This was also tie-dye. So beautiful. And I've got my glasses that I don't even wear. Got a crayon in here. And then I've got this random box. I don't know what's inside. Yeah. Paintbrush. Some fabric glue that I didn't even know existed in this box. And some black thread. I thought I didn't have black thread and I bought one right before the lockdown. And then I've got some more random scraps of fabric. Should probably put them inside the fabric scrap. Oh, and also, I'm going to show you. This is a 3D applique kind of a rose that I made for my Ari embroidery class. It's so cute, isn't it? It has like fabric paint and Ari embroidery outline. So cute. Anyway, and then I have got random ribbons because it's from one of my previous submissions in college, manipulation submission, fabric manipulation submission. So this was trial and error completely. So yeah, it's just lying in here. I'll dispose them. I might reuse them, I won't throw them. I'm like that. Just yeah. And some more scraps of cardboard. And then got to clean out all of the crayons that fell off. I don't even know how old this particular box of crayon is. It's probably what my brother used in school. And that's it. Empty the box. It's basically empty. Now let's see how to reorganize this. So basically, I'm going to be arranging it in a way so that I have my least used things in the bottom and like the most used things on top. So let's put this fabric bag first. Put it in. And then this is like the perfect example of something that I didn't want on my table, so I put in here. My glasses. I don't use them. I don't need them. It doesn't have any power. But yeah. But there. And okay, I actually need everything that I'm supposed to put in here, so no order, just gonna randomly put everything in here. And we're done. So, okay. It's all organized and ready. So I have like everything visible from my top view. When I see from top, I can see what's where and I can just quickly grab it. Unless it's crayons, but now this time I've learned my lesson and I've kept my crayons the other way so it doesn't fall out. So yeah, that's it for my coloring medium storage video. I hope you got inspired by this to declutter and reorganize your things. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos related to arts and craft, fashion designing, cooking, DIY, embroidery, planning and organizing, and many more. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, get vaccinated, and take care.